MPs who have been arrested will not automatically be identified under plans due to be debated in the Commons. Instead, the MP involved would be consulted and only named if there is an issue of parliamentary privilege or constitutional significance at stake. The Cross-Party Procedure Committee says revealing names of arrested MPs is incompatible with the right to privacy enshrined in human rights laws. MPs are due to debate the motion later on Wednesday. In its report, published in December last year, the committee said the present practice of the House in requiring the Speaker to publish the fact of a member's arrest regardless of circumstances, in its generalized and non-discretionary application, incompatible with the right to privacy. Correcting an anomaly. The government insisted the change brings MPs into line with the rest of the public. A source told The Independent on Sunday, the anomaly, as far as it exists, is not that MPs are trying to get special treatment, rather, it's the other way round. At the moment MPs are named but the public aren't, so this is just correcting that anomaly. The Procedure Committee report revealed that in the last Parliament, Tory MPs Nigel Evans and David Ruffley were named after their arrest. Mr. Evans was acquitted of sexual offences and Mr. Ruffley cautioned for assault. Former Labour MP Eric Joyce was arrested 4 times, and Green MP Caroline Lucas was arrested during an anti-fracking protest and later acquitted of obstruction. Meanwhile, it emerged that police have involved in a total of 5 cases linked to MPs' expenses under the current system, with none of the politicians identified. Public trust. In December it emerged that the Independent Parliamentary Standards Authority, IPSA, the MPs' expenses watchdog, had referred 3 potentially criminal cases to police in March without any public announcement, or identifying the individuals involved. The Metropolitan Police opened a 4th investigation in February 2015 into another MP following a public complaint, and is liaising within IPSA. A Metropolitan Police Service spokeswoman said, IPSA have made 3 referrals to the MPS, 2 in February 2015, and 1 in June. Of those, 2 investigations are ongoing. An assessment of the 3rd referral resulted in a 33-year-old woman, an employee of an MP, receiving a caution in April for fraud by false representation. A 4th investigation, which commenced in February 2015 following a public complaint and in liaison with IPSA, also remains ongoing. The Sunday Telegraph reported that IPSA disclosed in response to a Freedom of Information request that it referred a 5th MP to a police force outside London in May last year. Sir Alastair Graham, the former chairman of the Committee on Standards in Public Life, told the newspaper that IPSA has a public duty to reveal the identity of those investigated even though people are presumed innocent until they are convicted. If IPSA have referred it, it usually means there is some prima facie evidence which justifies a criminal investigation, Sir Alastair said. This air of secrecy will erode public trust at a time when public trust is not considered to be very high.